Okay guys, 6 a.m. in the morning, up at the crack of dawn. It's actually beautiful. It was raining all day yesterday, so why am I up at 6 a.m.? Well, actually I've been up since 4 to finish Tuesday's video, or well, by the time this goes out, I just finished the Manzuri, my friend Rob's Manzuri video. With his Manzuri Aventador. So sick. How sick was that? Okay guys, so yeah, been up since 4 at 6 a.m. right now, just waiting for the bus. Why? Because all Porsche track day, I've been invited by Watchfinders. So if you guys remember, I got to start in Reva Pirelli Edition Aventador last year, and you guys have seen it on my channel a bunch. He also has a GT3 RS, if you remember from that video. He's inviting me to an all Porsche track day, and I'm going to this track day in a GT3. So we're gonna get ride along footage to and from, plus track footage. Oh my God, there might be stuff there. I don't know, man. Like, it's a Porsche North Toronto, Porsche North Toronto meet. But all I know is there's gonna be some GT3 RSs, GT2 RSs ripping on the track. Any Porsche you can think of ripping on track. Okay guys, just waiting for the bus. I gotta be there for 7, so next time you'll see me in a Porsche GT3. Okay guys, check this out. In a GT3 with a GT3 RS in the front on the highway to the track. This thing's insane. This is my Sonny. He's been kind enough to give me a ride. See you guys at the track.
Your leg? You told me you fell off a roof?
Yeah, so
holy shit. Oh, no way.
holy, is that a Cayman?
Yeah, he's one of our guys.
No way. Oh my God. Senna last month. 3 TDFs, 1 driving. Oh my God. Porsche. Sick, dude. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, I got a classic. Sick. Oh, that's rare, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, guys, just signing in. We got my buddy Sean's GT3 RS with the YSOP pocket package. We're in the GT3 with exhaust. We're just heading down to the track. How sick is this, you guys? Going to a Porsche track day in 2 Porsches. You guys will see I got some sick highway footage, or I've already put it in. Dude, this is, oh my god, you guys. Never thought a day like this would ever come, and it's here. Huge shout out to Watchfinder Canada. I'll put a link to his watch store in the description. And yeah, there was that crazy accident on the way with the rollover. I'm gonna add the footage because I found out the people are okay. The airbag saved them, so that was a crazy event on the way here. Okay, guys, more Porsches are rolling in. We got Sean. There's Sean. You remember Sean? Remember Sean from the Pirelli edition. And okay, you guys. So track day with Porsche, North Toronto. Look what shows up. Oh my god, sick. Oh. Sick. Oh, he's got an Everlift sticker. First car in. Sick. Drivers meeting, you guys.
On 2 or 4 wheels off the track. If you go forward to do that, we ask you that you safely come to a stop on the...
There goes Sean. Yeah, Sean.